Okay, good evening, Professor and TA. My name is Chuan. So now I will show my first project in this video. And first, I apologize that I wasn't able to find the suitable teammates to form a group. So I completed the entire project on my own. So this project is built in Cisco Packet Tracer. Here is my report. Okay. So hi, this is my network project. I built a small network using Cisco Packet Tracer. So in this network, I have one switch, and one router, and 4 PCs, and one server. I use VLAN to separate the network. So VLAN 10 is for staff, VLAN 20 is for IT, and this helps make the network more clean and safe. So first, I set this structure, and then I use the cable. I use the Cooper straight-through cable to connect all the devices, and we can see it's all the grid. And I set the PC's address. Yes, the different address. So they are not in the same internet. Yes, and now I show how I create VLAN. Let's go to the switch 0. You can see, yes, I create VLAN 10. This is for staff. Then I create VLAN 20. This is for IT. Then I assign ports to VLAN. Yes. And, so here I create VLAN and I set the ports. And the port fast Ethernet 01 and 02 go to VLAN 10. And the port fast Ethernet 030405 go to VLAN 20. And we can. Yes. So we can see ports are assigned. So devices are separated into different VLAN. And now let's set the trunk. Okay. Okay, now let's set the trunk. Oh shit. So now let's set the trunk. Okay. Okay, so we need to exit first. And what? So can see. Yes, now we can see the interface trunk. I check the trunk, I exit config mode. Then I use show command. We can see this part is trunking. This cable. So trunk is used to carry multiple VLAN because switch and router only have one cable. So trunk helps send different VLAN traffic. It uses tag to identify VLAN, so router knows where data goes. And if not trunk, VLAN cannot work correctly. And now let's test the VLAN. And let's test the same VLAN. Use the same VLAN. I put the PC0 and the PC1 in same VLAN, which is the VLAN 10. So let's check the PC1's address. Okay. Okay, so it works. They can communicate. Ping is successful. So now let's test the different VLAN. Let's test the PC3. Use the same way. So copy the address back to this. Okay, so it works. So PC0 is VLAN 10 and the PC3 is VLAN 20. They can still communicate because the router is used. And also let me test the server, which is the same way. Still works. And also can reach the server. So router connects different VLAN. Each VLAN has its own IP. Router helps data go between networks. Router connects different VLAN. So in the end, so for my design, I want to separate the network. I use VLAN to do this. VLAN 10 is for staff. VLAN 20 is for IT. So different users are in different groups. Then I assign switch ports to different VLAN. So devices go to correct network. And after that, I use trunk. Because switch and router only have one cable, trunk can carry multiple VLAN traffic. Then I configure router. I create two sub-interfaces, each one for one VLAN, and I give them IP address. So router can connect these networks. At the end, I test the network. Same VLAN can communicate. Different VLAN also can communicate because router is working. So finally, my network works. It is separated but still connected. So that's all. Thank you. This design is simple but useful in real network.